Yo, what's up YouTube? This is the Omega Freak. This is sort of a late unboxing. I already have it already done. Well, it's already been unboxed before. And everything like this and this. A case. And a iPod. Well, right here's the, docking thingy that you can make your own, I don't know. Here is a Griffin charger that you plug into your wall charger. Two things. Little light when you plug it in. Alright, I'll start with the case. I lost the S stand that it claims it comes with. I'm not sure where that is. Alright. And then the S stand goes right there. But as I said before, I lost it. And then put this back up where I had it. Now there's the case. Take the bottom off. Claims it's for the iPod Touch 2nd gen, but fits the 3rd gen. iPod Touch by Apple. And right here, so when you take it out, and it's still on the platform, right, one minute, gotta zoom. Alright, when you're unboxing it, and it's like this, still on the stand, it has directions right there on the back. There's a little glare. See, I'm on YouTube doing it with my webcam. But when you do it, oh, there's a sign and stuff. But you bend it like that. It says to bend it like bendy, and then the iPod should come out. I already have it jailbroken and everything. Right there's a good theme that I like. I can't think of the name right now. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the case so it gets less scratched. Zoom out. Okay. Alright. I use this case every day. There. Looks actually pretty good on it, I think. Alright, inside the Apple box, there is headphones that it comes with. Let's see, headphones. Pretty good in sound. There. Then the charger cord thingy. Take that off real quick. Charger cord. There. Then it has iPod Touch important product information guide thingy. I like using the zoom, so yeah, right there. And then it has iPod Touch thingy that helps you. And it has that, pages. It's pretty small pages. There. And then lastly, comes with, right there's a cord wrapper thingy. 2 Max stickers. Right there. 2 Apple Macintosh, or whatever you want to call it, stickers. And that is about it. I'm going to do a review and everything. Let me zoom out. Alright, well, this thing's actually pretty good. I'll do a review on all this stuff soon. I know I did a crappier version of comparison. That wasn't that good. Pack all this stuff back up. All this important information for the iPod Touch. Oh, I need to put that back in. And that was the iPod Touch unboxing, late unboxing I should say, because it is kind of late, because I've owned it since Valentine's Day of this year. Alright, that's about it, so please comment, rate, and subscribe.